back, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be watching the video here of this kid burping really loud. Okay, let's go. Wait for it every second now, guys. There you go.
The ending.
Wow, guys, that was so good. All right, guys, that's the end. See ya.